You know what's funny? I still have clothes in my cupboard with the tags on them. Not because I forgot, because I keep thinking I'll wear this when something nice happens. I have a perfume like that too. I barely use it, only on special occasions. My brain keeps saying, save it. Like, for what? I honestly don't know. I realized I do this with like everything. सिर्फ कपड़ों के साथ नहीं, but with my life too. Like, I'll be happy when, I'll rest when, I'll start when. It's like I've been standing at the edge of my own life, waiting for someone to tell me, okay, now you can enjoy it. और सबसे अजीब पता क्या है कि nobody ever say it. So we keep on waiting for that special day. I wonder, like, पता नहीं कितने ही beautiful दिन ऐसे ही निकाल दिए हैं. Because I was busy waiting for a better one, you know. Imagine if today was the day I'd remember 10 years from now and I missed it because I was thinking about tomorrow. That's such a sad thought. है ना? When I was little, I never saved anything. Like, अगर मेरी कोई फेवरेट चॉकलेट है तो मुझे अभी ही खानी है, या बाहर बारिश हो रही है तो I'd run outside and dance like crazy. If I laughed so loudly that my mom would tell me to just calm down a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, everything was now. Kids don't know how to postpone joy. Somehow, I think we learn that, and now we are experts at it. Like, we'll celebrate later, we'll travel later, we'll wear the nice clothes later, we'll call that friend later, we'll start the dream later, we'll record the video later, we'll forgive ourselves later, and eventually we'll live later. What if later is the biggest lie we tell ourselves? I'm not saying that every day is amazing. Some days are genuinely very hard. I know that. Like, some days, all you can do is get through them. I am talking about the ordinary days, the quiet ones, like जो daily routine में होता है, the ones we treat like they don't matter. Maybe those are actually our life, and we forget that those ordinary days are actually our life, not the big moments. These ones. That Monday afternoon, the cup of tea, the song playing in the kitchen, the walk you almost didn't take. You know, I have spent so much time waiting for a new chapter of my life that I almost forgot that this one was happening too. And no, don't think I suddenly woke up today, you know, with all the answers. I didn't. I'll probably catch myself doing the exact same thing next week, or maybe even tomorrow. But at least now I notice it. Maybe that's where change actually begins. Not in some big life changing moment, just in noticing. So tomorrow, I think I'm going to wear that dress that's hanging in my cupboard for like months now. I am going to play that song all the way, and I'm going to call that friend I have been meaning to call for a long time now. Not because there is some special occasion, just because today happened. Like, I'm alive, and that is such a huge blessing. And these moments don't arrive with fireworks. Most of the time, they don't even realize they're changing us. So maybe I have been standing at the window waiting for something huge to happen, while life has been gently tapping on my shoulder this whole time. And I've been too distracted to just turn around. Anyway, I am definitely wearing that dress tomorrow, even if nothing special happens. Actually, maybe that's exactly what makes it special.